Hey everyone, welcome to Flipbook More. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Realistic Flipbook 3D 1.0 add-on and create flipbook animations up to 5 minutes long. What you see right now is the final result, and we'll build it step by step in this video. So let's jump right in. First, purchase Realistic Flipbook 3D 1.0 from the link in the description and get 10% off with my coupon code. Download Blender using the link in the description and install it on your system. I'm using Blender 4.0 for this video. Please note that this add-on may not work on newer versions of Blender. Now let's install the add-on. Go to Edit, then Preferences, then Add-ons and click Install. Drop in the Realistic Flipbook 3D 1.0 file and click Install. Once installed, search for Realistic Flipbook, enable the add-on, and save your preferences so you don't have to reinstall it every time. Alright, everything is set up. Now let's create a flipbook animation. The add-on supports both horizontal and vertical flipbooks, and I'll show you how to create both. We'll start with the horizontal flipbook. Before uploading your video, save the Blender file and reset the scene so the add-on works properly. It will automatically save the pages and final video in the same location as your saved file. Now upload your video. Before we move on, let me explain something important. The add-on automatically creates flipbooks in sets of 100 pages, one by one, until your entire video is complete. In other words, your video is divided into pairs of 100 pages each. It also shows you how many frames will be rendered. If a segment has fewer than 100 frames, it will copy the last frame and repeat it until it reaches 100. For example, if your video has 2,460 frames, it will repeat the last frame 40 times to reach 2,500 frames, giving you 25 pairs of 100-page flipbooks. If that still sounds confusing, feel free to ask in the comments. Now let me show you how to create a vertical flipbook. Reset the file, upload your video, and select a vertical video this time. Click on Manage Flipbooks. At the bottom, increase the scale value to around 2 for vertical flipbooks or 1.5 for square flipbooks. You can also delete any flipbook and restart the animation. Please note that your current version does not support adding page numbers. At this point, you've learned how to create both horizontal and vertical flipbooks. Before rendering the final output, you can make a few finishing touches. Change the background color, add a background image, set the output resolution, and give your file a name. Once everything looks good, go ahead and render the final flipbook and export it as an MP4 video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.